We've got the first look at the new iPhone 17 Ultra. With improvements to the design, battery and hardware, this is shaping up to be an exciting new release. So first up, before we get into the reveals, we had news last week from Mark Gurman that the official launch was set for the second week of September. And now a new report from Mac Rumors claims that it's very likely to be on the 9th of September. And of course, we'll have all of the new iPhones launched at that event, as well as the watches and the AirPods Pro 3. Now next up, we had a tweet from Majin Buu showing us that Apple have made some significant changes to the internal battery, and we've got a new shape as well as a steel casing to help with heat management. And this, along with news of a new vapor chamber, not only improves the efficiency and safety of the iPhone 17 Pro models, but it also means that they should be able to push the A19 Pro, which is already a very powerful chipset, even further. Now, if that wasn't enough for you, we have news of a new upgrade to the camera system in the iPhone 17 Pro, and it's better than we expected to see. And according to a new report, the iPhone 17 Pro is going to feature up to 8 times optical zoom, which is quite a jump from last year's 5 times. Now, the new 8 times optical lens will of course be great for photo and video, and the report says that there's also going to be a new Pro camera app exclusive to the Pro models, and this is going to help you get the most out of the upgraded cameras. Now, another upgrade is unfortunately going to be in the pricing, and a new report says that the prices are going to be increasing by $50, apart from the base model that's going to remain the same. And to be honest, with the increase of component costs on top of all the tariff issues that we saw earlier this year, that's hardly a surprise. Now next up, we've got the whole iPhone 17 lineup revealed in a new tweet from Sonny Dixon over on X, and it showcases every model in every color. Now unfortunately, these are simply dummy models, but they do give you a good idea at what the iPhone 17 is going to look like. And of course, I've also used all of the latest leaks to create these renders here to showcase the iPhone 17 Ultra's new colors and new design, including these ones in the hand, to give you a much better look at what we can expect. And there's a few reports saying it's going to look like this with a new rectangular panel, while others disagree and think it's going to look more like this. Now either way, we know the camera module is going to be changing for this much larger one. While it's not a huge change in reality, it certainly makes the iPhone look very different than last year, so let me know in the comments what you think of the new look. Now of course, with launch just around the corner, the leaks are going to come flooding in, and I'll be sharing them as soon as they do, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.